I'm the oldest of three. I have two younger brothers. One of my brothers had some problems, so my mom was, her energy and attention was often called to him, and also she was stressed, and she was not a warm, nurturing person, and she was pretty critical, especially of me, the girl. And so I grew up with a lot of criticism and a lot of blaming. There were explosions, and there was a lot of disruption in the house. And so I grew up in a lot of stress, and I ended up with stomach aches a lot, and starting at about age 3, which is when that brother was born. And I developed an eating disorder. There were a lot of things that developed, and a lot of tension and anxiety. And then once I hit my grown-up years and a lot of things fell apart, I went into therapy. So I had therapy for a lot of years, and I didn't even know what was wrong, but finally came to understand that it was this kind of hypervigilance and critical nature, the critical nature of my mom, kind of all the time, the chronic nature of it. So fast forward, I'm 65 now, and for about 3 or 4 years, my younger brother and I have been dealing with our mom going into worse and worse dementia. And it was, we had about a year and a half of very high stress with her, where a lot of, she thought we were conspiring against her because we were having to make decisions for her, but she didn't know she had dementia. And so a lot of not only critical, but very, very angry and accusing behavior came out of her, and it sent me into pretty much, I guess, PTSD. I went to a therapist and had some EMDR, and that helped. But I dreaded seeing her, and I dreaded the darts being thrown at me each time. And last June, so June of 2018, my husband and I went to Nanaimo, British Columbia for a conference, and Joe Dispenza was there. It was a conference called Science and Spirituality. He led us through, a lot of, he fits a lot in one day, but we had one meditation with him. I don't even know what meditation it was because I'd never had a meditation. I'd never gone through his program or read his books or anything. And so we were told to pick something that we would like to have happen, and come up with a letter and put the letter in a circle, 2 wavy circles, and picture that. So I just went for the moon, and I said, ha ha, like, no chance this'll work. E for enjoy being with my mother. We went into the meditation, and I was not a great meditator. I don't know how long it was. I don't know what we did. I don't remember anything except at the end of the meditation when he told us to come out. I was bathed in light. The whole room was bathed in love. I hugged my husband, and every molecule of anger, resentment, hurt, pain, toxicity about my mom, it was just gone. It's just gone. And I can visit her now, I can take her to the doctor, I can take her places. I can let her, she now, she'll caress my cheek, or she'll kiss me, she'll thank me, she thanks me profusely. And I have no pain with her. just a miracle.